Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will show you how to create a phone wallpaper on canva.com and it's free. So I will show you how to create this. So open the Chrome browser and in the URL box search canva.com or you can search on Google the Canva website. Now after logging on the website, you have to logging in with the free account. You can use a Gmail account for logging in. For example, you have to log in with your Gmail account. Now after logging in, just go to create a design option. As you can see on the top here, click on this and here type phone and it will appear like this, phone wallpaper. Click on this. Now the best thing about Canva is it offers you hundred templates for making your phone wallpaper design, and it will recommend you to the best and dope designs. For example, I want to make a wallpaper for my bike because I'm a bike enthusiast, so I will search mountain bike and you can see so cool and dope unique phone wallpapers. I got this. Okay, I will search bike only, I guess. Okay, this looks cool. You can choose anything, any random wish you want to create. So for example, I want to create a sunset, so it will show you different recommendations and select it, and you can change the color. You can add text by clicking on here text option. You can create the text, add a text box. If you don't want this, just remove it by deleting it and go to share option and click on download. Maximize the size and click on download and your phone wallpaper will be downloaded. So guys, this was an easy tutorial to how to create a phone wallpaper using Canva. I hope you like the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thank